This one is a brand new M660 models 4K 4-channel camera system. AZDOME offers to cover 360 degrees surrounding with the smart camera system. All the products from this company nicely packaged like always, and this is external cameras. What the good is the USB-C output, or if you're doing the taxi riding or the truck driving, all that stuff, you can actually relocate these cameras with the USB-C extension. How great is that, right? So as you can see, the camera itself, quality, this is a side quality, so it's going to be 180 degree swingable. If you want the extra picture on some side, you're gonna add it. So the camera itself, as you can see, these two sides is very easy to install. It's the magnetic. Also, it's a pulse like a magnetic right way, and you're going to install, and automatically the camera itself turns on and it picks up the camera right. This one is the swings. This is the camera itself, as you can see, huge, a lot bigger than 550 models. I have a 550 installed right now. I'm going to install this on my Tahoe, and I'm going to go test drive around, and we're going to see it. So you have two cameras. It's going to be installed. Another camera here, so it's not going to be the waterproof. So if you install from the inside to back, it's going to be good. So as you can see, the camera, it swings side to side and the 360 degrees. So you find the way how to install this camera properly. Also in the menu, it's going to be flippable. This is a great options here. Each camera you can do left and right mirrors. The reverse camera when you connect here on the top, so it's going to pop up here, and also you can flip side to side reverse camera to right. Also depending your installation, next is going to be you can flip the cameras, each camera separately, right? If you want to do the all cameras or single one camera. So now this is a reverse camera of the cable. It's going to be enough cable for my large SUV. If you have a smaller car, the minivans, it's going to be enough wire here. Installation tools here, extra wire hiding, wire management things. Then you have a short USB-C to regular USB. Another things they made it good, if you have an extra USB output like my Tahoe, you just keep it out. This is for cigarette lighter. Even you use a cigarette lighter, they're gonna give you another USB-C output here. So this is extra low USB-C to USB-C, so you're gonna run the power from here to the dash. Right, so this is a close-up shot. As you can see, you can install or just skip these cameras, or you can run the external USB-C to USB, and you can run these cameras in the other place. As you can see, you're gonna just install this here. On the top you have a power, and you have a reverse the camera input, and a reset button here, and you have a microphone and the speakers surround this. I think this is a microphone also, and you have a bunch of buttons here, huge large screen here, and this one is going to be like easy on and off. As you can see, this one is going to be just a stays on your windshield when you install, and easy to just install it. And surroundings, you have a lot of room to just keep the camera cool. And the cameras also comes with the built-in battery. It's going to be just a delaying all that's 4K cameras, and the 5G Wi-Fi. It's going to be very nice and quick working system. All right, as you can see, the both cameras installed it in the same road. We're gonna see how the microphone will pick her up. My normal talking voice, and I'm accelerating right now, so my vehicle is picking up some engine noise. I have aftermarket exhaust also, so it's gonna be a little rumbly, and we're going around the 4 miles exactly. So it has to be the built-in GPS. Timestamp, it's gonna be there. Each camera will record a separate audio.
Recording started.
Let me go through the menu setting, right?
Recording stopped.
The first, you're gonna have a resolution. This is a navigation button. So resolution, we're gonna go to the maximum, and you can also adjust a lower resolution, so you're gonna have less storage. So built-in storage is 128 gigabytes built-in, so you don't need any SD card on this. I like the 3-minute recording. Some people like some 1 minute, so you can adjust accordingly here. So I can adjust high resolution also here. And the audio recording, the microphone, we're gonna have there. The codec, you can do 264 or 265, depending what kind of area you're using those video stamps. If you want to do it, of course, it's going to be stamped on the bottom, your speed, your time, all that stuff. G sensors, I put the on the medium, that's fine. And the next is going to be Wi-Fi settings, so you can adjust the Wi-Fi, turn on, turn off here. And my scenario, it's going to be turned on, so here you can adjust the Wi-Fi frequency also, right? The time zone, next is going to be date and time, date and format you want, depending where you live. Screen saver is depending how long it's going to keep the screen on. Is in 1 minute, it's more than enough. Ketone, you can mute the ketone, and the volume you can also adjust here, mid, low, high volume, right? Language, all the different language. GPS sensor, you can turn on, turn off. Also, you can see how many GPSs are there. the camera is supposed to be miles per hour. On some videos, that's the frequency, 60 hertz or 50 hertz. You can adjust it. Reminders, we don't need it. GPS info. When you go there, it's going to show you how many GPS the signals is picking up. Now I'm sitting in my office, and as you can see, decent GPS signals. So storage information, you're going to go here, and I have a lot of storage informations here, and it's going to be a loop recording. Anyway, older videos going to get deleted, and the new videos is going to be added on the side. So voice control also, you can control like multiple options. You can turn on, turn off. In my scenario, if just in case I say something triggers and it stops recording, I don't like it, so I'm gonna turn off the voice control. Voice command, it's here is a bunch of voice commands. Whatever you can say, it's like turn on, turn off Wi-Fi's, all that stuff. Right? Format, you can just format there. Default settings and the version you can update. You can connect to the computer right now. What I'm gonna do is update firmware, and very nice and easy to use. This is radiators to keep the cameras cool, and that's it.